Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about Bronner Brothers. But before we talk about Bronner Brothers, get ready with me as I lay this frontal and get ready for a lit weekend. I'm currently rocking Sweet Waves custom unit from Faithful Bundles collection, which you can find on my website faithfullygc.com. It was originally a natural black and I lightened it to this consistency to give me a little bit of dimension at the root with a chocolate brown and lighten the ends to a golden caramel color. And I feel like this color really helped bring out my chocolate skin tone. I wanted a bright color on my skin tone because I wanted to bring attention to myself. Like, I was going to Atlanta to network and to scout areas that I could work at while in town to start generating income there, because I'm planning to move to Atlanta eventually full time. But you know, baby steps, you guys, baby steps. That's what we want to do, but we gotta just take our time and let God do his thing. But my mission for this weekend was definitely to catch an eye and meet some network and meet some people that can, you know, benefit what I do and at the same time bring value to others. Meet, collaborate, create magic. I was so excited to go to Bronner Brothers this year. I've been to Bronner Brothers twice before in February, but this was my first fall Bronner Brothers hair convention, and I was so excited to see what they had to offer. But everything that could possibly go wrong for this trip went wrong. The wig I was supposed to have, I didn't get to make in time. I lost my ID at the airport as soon as I landed. Don't ask me how, don't ask me where, because the whole thing is just frustrating. Spent 3 hours in the airport trying to find a damn ID, didn't get to find it, had a whole moment of breaking down and crying. Hey, it be like that sometimes. Felt better after, you know, bawling my eyes out because I couldn't get my damn rental. Got an Uber and just started the journey. So this is me when I got to my Airbnb in Atlanta and my hair wasn't done. I literally had a closure wig, but that's not the wig I wanted to wear for that weekend. So I had to do my frontal at home. So that's what you see me doing right now. Just tacking down my frontal. Love Nairobi. Nairobi was also present at the show. So they had deals going to half-gallon sizes for $25. Now, you know I had to jump on that because I love Nairobi. I love their wrapping foam. Like, that's how I kept my hair looking curly, wet and curly the whole time, because when Nairobi styling foam dries, it dries kind of hard. It still keeps the hair soft, but it dries kind of hard, so that way it keeps its shape. Trying to get them baby hairs to be great, honey. I'm trying to be great. So what I just did there is like take the Nairobi foam and just, you know, put it on top of the gel and just kind of, you know. So now I'm trying to tie that bad boy up. Can y'all see that lace? That lace looks nice, honey. Ooh, it looks so good. Okay, I'm done. So literally, that's the outfit I have on is what I wore at the airport. And I literally came home just to lay my lace down because I was going out with my homegirl, lovely Erica. Check her out on YouTube. It was her birthday and, you know, I had to show up. Not only that, but you guys, I lost my ID at the airport, like I said earlier. So how was I gonna get into the club? Honey, I needed to look like a baddie. I needed to look like somebody they had to let into the club. Okay, so thank God I threw this wig in my suitcase literally last minute because I had a funny feeling that I was not gonna be able to make my wig once I touched down on my flight. And sure enough, I wasn't able to due to this whole stupid ID thing. If you want a full video on how I tack down my lace, I will be uploading it in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. Getting my makeup done, it's a lot to do. I see my outfit, yo, I look so cute, I love it. I'm finna get in this club tonight. Yes. Yo. Those of you who don't know or not in the hair industry, Bronner Brothers is a company that's been around for over 70 years, 72 exact. It's a Black-owned company that started in 1947 and is now run by the second generation of Bronners. So they manage multiple businesses such as Upscale Magazine, the Bronner Brothers Show, Hairshow, which is the largest multicultural hair show in the world. They also own multiple high-quality hair product lines such as Tropical Roots, New Expression, and of course, Bronner Brothers or BB.
You got a little quiet here, man.
I like to know what makes me cry.
Marcus.
The show is always exciting. This is my third year going, but they always have an abundance of exhibits. This year they had over 300 exhibits. They had 100 classes. They also had night events. They had a cut party and also an after party where Kiki Palmer performed. Sadly, I did not get to attend that, but it's a lot of fun. So if you haven't been to Bronner Brothers Hair Show, you definitely want to make it to their February show and experience Bronner Brothers Hair Show for yourself. While in Atlanta, I got to go to Crab Queens. It was the grand opening of Crab Queens in Atlanta, and I got to meet Quay. I got to see B. Simone, Zoe, and a lot of other different celebrities. So not only did I get to see celebrities at the hair show, but I got to also see them around town once I went to local events. Should I do a red lip? I feel like red would like really be outgoing, but then a plain lip would look good with this look too though. But I feel like my face looks so, basic. I didn't want it like a full basic. I kind of wanted to have like something different. So I feel like a red lip would be like, where the hell does she have red on? Why does she have red lips? You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm gonna do. honestly, I had fun. I ended up meeting a publisher to a magazine company, and that was dope. He just walked up to me. I met my favorite hairstylist, Anthony Cuts. I don't know how to act right now, but he was totally dope and sweet, and I was so happy to meet him. Everybody here in Atlanta thus far have been super nice, and honestly, I'm like loving it, and I can't wait to move here. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog for Bronner Brothers weekend. Make sure you hit subscribe below and hit the bell so you get all the notifications. I will be uploading videos more often, at least once a week, every Sunday. So stay tuned for more content.